Hello students, today I am taking one another concept to make a quadrilateral from the chapter Practical Geometry. The concept is when three sides are given and two included angles are given. Now there is an example, that is example 4, in which construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, CD is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle B 105 degree and angle C is equal to 80 degree. For solution, first of all we can draw a rough figure. Figure number 4.19 is a rough figure in which you can see easily three sides AB, BC and DC are given and two included angle B and angle C are also given. This is the concept to make a quadrilateral which I am taking today. Now, step number first of all, draw a line segment of length 5 centimeter. Taking P as center, make an angle of 105. Now draw a ray BX to extended for any point and cut 4 centimeter from this. This is the point A. Now the second step is taking C as center, make an angle of 80 degree and draw a ray CY to an extended point. This is the second point. Third point is cut the line segment 6.5 which is CD from the point C and there is an arc at the point D. This is the step third. Now step number 4, you can see easily that you already got the point A and D. Now join A point to D point. This is the required quadrilateral in which three sides are given and two included angles are also given. Now I am taking exercise 4.4. There are only two questions. First, you have to draw a quadrilateral DEAR in which DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA is equal to 5 centimeter, AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now let's start to draw the quadrilateral with the given specification. First of all, we draw the line segment EA of 5 centimeter. EA of 5 centimeter. Taking E as center, draw an angle of 60 degree with the help of protractor or with the help of compass. Now draw EX extended ray to a point. This is the point X. Extended ray to a point X in which you know that ED is given 4 centimeter. Taking E as center and radius 4 centimeter, cut 4 centimeter from EX. This is the point D. Now taking A as center, as given that angle A is equal to 90 degree. Draw an angle of 90 degree at the point A. This is the 90 degree angle. This is also an extended line, or you can say ray, that is AY, that is AY. Now cut the line segment of length 4.5 centimeter, that is AR, taking A as center of length 4.5 centimeter and ED was 4 centimeter. ED was 4 centimeter. This is the point R. Join D to R. This is the required quadrilateral. Now I am taking second question of your exercise, textbook exercise. Second part is make a quadrilateral TRUE in which TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter, RU 3 centimeter, UE 4 centimeter, angle R 75 and angle U 120 degree. You can see easily three sides are given and two included angles also given. Now let's start to draw this quadrilateral. First of all, draw a line segment RU of length 3 centimeter. Taking R as center, draw an angle of 75 degree. And draw a ray RX. This is the ray RX. As you know that line segment TR is of 3.5 centimeter. Taking R as center, cut the length 3.5 centimeter. This is the point T. Now taking U as center, draw an angle of 120 degree. And this is a ray, that is, you can say UY. Now the line segment UE is 4 centimeter. You can see in the question, UE is given 4 centimeter. Now taking U as center and of length 4 centimeter, cut an arc, that is the point E point. And the last step will be join T to E. This is the required construction to make a quadrilateral when three sides and two included angles are given. Thank you.